Framer is a powerful design tool that enables you to create interactive, high-quality websites. While Framer is not an e-commerce platform itself, you can design a beautiful e-commerce site and integrate it with platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce for a complete store setup. Here's how to create an e-commerce website using Framer. Plan your store layout. Start by planning the structure of your e-commerce site, homepage, product listings, shopping cart, and checkout pages. Use Framer's design tools to create visually appealing layouts, ensuring the user interface is intuitive and easy to navigate. Design interactive elements. Use Framer's powerful tools to add interactive elements like hover effects, animations, and smooth transitions to your pages. Customize headers, footers, product grids, and buttons and ensure they align with your brand identity. Add e-commerce functionality. While Framer allows for custom designs, you will need to integrate e-commerce functionality through an external platform like Shopify or WooCommerce. Export your Framer design and embed it into the Shopify theme or WooCommerce pages. Set up payments and products. After exporting the design, set up payment gateways, add products, and configure shipping options to your chosen platform. Publish your store. After finalizing the design and settings, test your store and then publish it to go live.